So here they are, the Assassin and Sir Charles coming into the poker tournament. Here we are for the Island Parrot poker tournament. Let's follow them in. And here we are at the Island Parrot monthly tournament. Troy's our dealer. To our left we have Sly. Then we've got the G-Man. Next is Bus Gus. Then we have Sir Charles, backed by Tracy Two Shoes. Then we have Kent of Kent. And here we are at the Island Parrot, a quite collection of a motley crew of players. As you can see, the action is already to begin on the first hand. All the players are present, accounted for, and off we go. First hand, all in, right on the flop.
Two pair on the flop.
Kings and tens versus queens. Oh, and a full house.
Nice hand, very nice.
Kings and tens. Randy pulls the full boat on the first hand of the tournament.
Ace. All right, and a call.
And here we are with two players all in, Bus Gus all in, and Tracy Two Shoes all in, called by CC Sniper.
I'll even put Two Shoes behind my name.
CC, what would you like to do?
1,000.
1,000. She says she's putting you all in, so we have 9 left.
We only have 9.
And she's putting you all in.
Gus, did you have a good time today, Bus Gus?
Yes, but I...
I want this picture.
Oh, you don't want this
That's
picture?
terrible.
Did you have fun anyway?
Yeah.
You say it's a bad call? Does that mean you're calling?
Yes.
Oh.
It is a bad call.
All right, gentlemen. Flip your hands over. Let's see what we have. He's on a spade draw.
He catches his spade draw.
I had to play it.
What was that? Twice in a row?
Yeah.
Did you have fun?
Yeah.
All right, man. And then there was 3. Randy,
All right, Miss CC.
CC Sniper,
1,000.
and G-Man.
I need a jack. Jack it up. Squares. Ace King's gonna walk.
Lucky. And that is.
Wow.
It's still anyone's flop here. It's wide open. Anyone aces ahead, and
10.
River's the 10 on the river. Whoa! Can you believe it?
Got
All
my
right,
money out of it.
here we are, the
Got my
final
money out
hand.
of it, and I stuck
Just
it
gonna
all
deal
back.
them up.
That's weird.
Could be a
Here's
chop.
3-9, and how about that 3-9? I wonder if they'll chop.
4 diamonds.
Here's 2 diamonds.
Can't go on the other side.
Watch out.
This could be it. The 9 seems to be the 2 pair.
Gets a 3.
Oh, and we have 2 pair with the 8 and the 9.
Both got two.
And we have a winner as Randy Man, first place. All right, congratulations. G-Man taking second place. Congratulations.
You know what? Second
Great
place is,
tournament,
right?
Troy.